Hi, today I'd like to show you how to configure the 400G-ZR Transceiver Test on the MT1040A Network Master Pro. Large capacity data centers are now being constructed using optical fiber links between multiple small, medium metro data centers. Deployment of 400G-ZR transceivers is an assurance for low-cost optical links between data centers. The MT1040A is an Ethernet tester supporting speeds from 10 megabits per second up to 400 gigabits per second, including 400G-ZR. So let's get down to setting up the 400G-ZR transceiver test on the MT1040A. After starting the instrument, we get to the main menu with all available applications. This menu may vary depending on the options installed. In the Ethernet line, click on the bird up and select the ports that you are going to test. After loading the application, we get into the setup window, in which we need to configure the physical interfaces. First, in the port tab, select the interface type from the drop-down list. Confirm the changes made. The interface is configured and launched. Here, you can see at what wavelength the selected transceiver works and what standard it meets. 400G-ZR sign will appear in case of using 400G-ZR transceiver. Click on the link status box. 400G-ZR transceivers needs more time to get a link. In the transceiver window, you can see the detailed information about the transceiver and make additional settings if necessary. All information is read from the internal registers of the transceiver. Error information, bitrate, wavelength, compliance, vendor information such as serial number and production date, output control. It is possible to select available grid spacing and set specific channel. It takes some time for changing such settings. The central frequency and wavelength are changed as well. We can see that link status appeared again. By clicking on I2C analysis, we get to the information and settings menu of the transceiver through the I2C interface. In the dedicated tab, 400G-ZR, we can see all corresponding parameters. Start the traffic and click on the status box. Clear the history and check that all the required connection parameters are in order. Thus, we have configured the physical interface of the instrument. Click Start and the result window appears. The Summary tab displays a summary of the test we have configured. The current testing status is displayed here. The number of errors and their ratio are also indicated. Effect Distribution tab allows to see the number of corrected code words. Basically, this graph shows if the transceiver works fine or there are some problems. The Event Log tab displays a log of events that occurred during testing. If any error occurs, detailed information about it will be displayed here. All detailed statistics are displayed on the Statistics tab. In the drop-down menu, you can select various parameters and view their statistics. Select Transceiver 400G-ZR Media Host. Please keep in mind that this information indicates data from the internal registers of transceiver. All corresponding parameters are displayed here. We can look at the number of corrected bits. Click on the displayed number to open a graph view, where you can look at the trend of chosen parameter. Go back to Statistics tab. Below, we can also see parameters such as optical signal to noise ratio or state of polarization. To save the report, click on the document icon on the right menu. In the window, enter the necessary data, the file format, PDF, XML or CSV, the name of the client, project, operator, add notes, load the logo and click Next. Select what to include in the report and click Generate. In the next window, select the saved directory, enter the file name, for example 400G-ZR Transceiver Test. Click OK and save report. After saving, the report is available for viewing directly on the instrument. Click View PDF. The report will contain all the necessary information about the test, including complete statistics and log. Close the report and return to the application. Now, we finished the 400G-ZR transceiver test on the MT1040A Network Master Pro. That is all for today, and if you have any questions, please contact Anritsu. Thanks for watching.